Good morning, student. Today I will take your maths class. But before starting your maths class, I want to ask some question. See, you want to take one, say one sweets. Say like this one. This one is one Dairy Milk chocolate. Now you want to take this. Okay, you like, I think. This one you like. Now you want to take this Dairy Milk. And you will get this one freely. No. You have to give something. What you have to give? Huh? You have to pay some money. Okay, similarly, see, this one is one rubber. This rubber also, if you want to take, then you have to pay some money. And if you need this pen, then also you have to pay some. So if you want to purchase these three things, pen, this Dairy Milk chocolate and this eraser, then how much rupees you have to pay? If this one is cost, pen cost is 10 rupees, cost of this sweet is 5 rupees and cost of this eraser is 5 rupees. So total how much rupees you have to pay? Here 10 plus 5, 15, and this one is also 5, 20. 10 plus 5 plus 5, total 20 rupees you have to pay. Okay, clear? So today's this chapter is money chapters. So we'll discuss this money chapters and your chapter number 4 and chapter name is money. Okay, so money, all of you have seen. I think you have seen the money. You have seen or not? This one, how much? 5 rupees. This one is 10 rupees, 20 rupees. This one 50 rupees. This one is 100. This one 200, and last one is this one 500. 2000 also there. I am not so. Okay, so these are what? Our Indian currency, money. 1 rupee coin. This one is 5 rupee coin. Similarly, this one 10, etc. These are the coin. Money. Why you need the money? We need money for exchanging. Exchange means to purchase something. You have to give some money and then you will get some items. You can purchase any item. See here, some notes I have pasted here. This one is 10 rupees. This one again 10 rupees, and this one is 5 rupees. Then total is how much? Here rupees 10. This one rupees 10 plus another rupees 10, then plus rupees 5. Then total how much? Total how much? 10 plus 10 plus 5 equal to 25. So here this one 50 rupees, this one 20 rupees, and this one 100 rupees. Then total how much? Here rupees 50 plus 20 plus 100 equal to 50 plus 20, 70. 70 plus 100, 170. So this amount is how much? Rupees 170. So this way we will add. Very simple. Addition you have done. See, money also you can add. But in coin, when it is coin, that means you have rupees, see, 200. Okay, 200 rupees plus rupees 50 plus then 150 pies. This one, how can you add? How can you write this? So for this, you have to write this way. This equal to rupees. This one you add first. So 200 plus rupees 50. So 200 plus 50, rupees 250. Rupees 250. Just add these two. 250 you add. Now this pies one. This was rupees and pies. So pies, how can you write? So for writing this, you have to give one decimal point here. After rupees you give decimal point, and how many pies? 50 pies. So directly you can give here 50. Clear? So here 250 rupees and 50 pies. So 250.50. Not 50, 50, then 50 pies. Okay, 250 rupees and 50 pies. Clear? Similarly, another example, see, here say rupees. Rupees 50 plus rupees 10 plus 20 pies. Plus one more pies, and you say 10 pies also. Here say rupees 50 plus rupees 10 plus 20 pies plus 10 pies. Now total is how much? Or how can you write this? So for writing this, again all rupees first you add. This one 50 rupees, 10 rupees you add first. So this equal to rupees how much? Rupees 50 plus 10, 60. Rupees 60 here. Okay. And pies is, both the pies you add again, these pies and these pies you add. 20 plus 10, 30 pies. And that 30 you write after decimal point. So give here decimal point and write here 30. Clear? All of you clear? Now here see rupees is here and pies also. So how many rupees here? 100 rupees plus 5, 105, 100 plus 5 plus 1, 105 plus 1, 106, and 106 plus 10, 116 rupees. Rupees is 116 rupees and pies is 20 pies. So how can you write this one? Total rupees is 116 rupees. And pies, again for writing the pies you have to give here decimal point, and how many pies here? 20 pies. Clear? So this way we will write. One more example, see, again rupees 60 plus, so 60 plus rupees 30 plus 10 pies equal to, here same way, rupees 60 plus 30, 90 rupees, and pies is 10 pies only. So before decimal you have to write rupees, and after decimal you have to write the pies. So how many rupees here? Rupees 60 plus 30, 90 rupees, and give here decimal point, and after decimal you have to give 10 pies. Pies is only 10, so 10 pies is here. Clear? So this way you have to write. You have rupees, this much rupees, and this much pies. You can write together in rupees. So convert. In question, convert this much rupees and this much pies. Directly you have to convert in rupees only. Then this one is this rupees 90.10. Now you know this one 1 rupee equal to how many pies? Rupee 1 equal to how many pies? So 1 rupee equal to 100 pies. So here 100, 100 pies. Okay, 1 rupee equal to, this one is important, this one. 1 rupee equal to 100 pies. Okay, so here total how many pies then? Can you convert this? Okay, this much rupee, 100 rupees, 55 rupees, then 1 rupee coin, then 10 rupees, and 20 pies. Total how many pies is here? Here how many rupees you have got? Rupees got 116 rupees, then 20 pies you have got. 116.20 rupees, 116.20. So this much rupees. If you convert this whole in rupees, then this much. Now total how many pies is here? So you know 1 rupee equal to 100 pies. So in 100 rupees how many pies? 1 rupee is 100, then 100 rupees You can convert it, see, 100 into 100. This much price in this 100 rupees. Okay, and in 5 rupees, 5 into 100, 5 into 100, 500 pies. And 1 rupee coin, 100 only. Again 10 rupees, 10 into 100 pies. Okay, so these all you have to add, and total how much rupees you will get, plus this one 20 pies. So this much pies. So total equal how much? 100 into 100. Can you multiply this to 100 into 100? In short way I have shown. First you multiply the number and put the 0. So 1 into 1, 1 only. Then how many 0 here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Clear? Next, here 5 into 1, 5. And how many 0? 2 0. Add 2 0. Again plus this one 100 only. Plus this one into 1, 1 and 3 0. Plus this one 20 pies total. Whole actually, this one whole. So this equal to now, equal to how much? Can you add? Here see, 1 and 4 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 0. This one 500, 5 0 0. Here 100. See 100. Then again 1000 here. 1000. And here 20. So total you add plus all pies you add. This one all 0. This one is 2. This one is 5 plus 1 plus 0 6. This one is 1. This one is 1. So total how much we have got? 1, 10, 100, 1000. 11,620 pies. 11,620 pies. This one is the pies. Clear? So this much rupees equal to, see, this much. If you add and if you convert in rupees, then how much rupees you have got? Rupees 116.20. Okay. And when you convert this in pi, that means this much rupees equal to how much pies? Then 11,620 pies. See here, both the numbers, these numbers and this number, see, check it. Same. Only difference is what? Here decimal point is here before 20, but here no decimal point. Okay, here decimal point is not there. That means when you write in rupees, whatever the amount you have wrote in rupees, if you need this one in pies, then remove the decimal point only. If you remove decimal point, then directly this will convert into pies. Clear? Okay. Convert into rupees. Here first one is rupees 5 and 30 pies. 5 rupees and 30 pies is there. Now this one you convert into rupees. Then how can you convert? This one equal to, this equal to, here 5 rupees note, you have to write rupees 5 and pies will write after decimal point. That means after 5 you give one decimal point and 30. So this way you can convert into rupees directly. Rupees 5 and 30 pies you can write this way, rupees 5.30. Okay. Next another one more example, see. Next rupees 5 and 15 pies. This also same. Rupees, you have to write rupees 5 and then you give one decimal point and then write this 15. 1, 5, 15. So this one can convert it. Clear? So whatever the rupees is there, rupees write before decimal point and pies you write after decimal point. That means before decimal one is rupees and after decimal one is the next one. See, convert into pies. That means rupees is given, you have to convert into pies. Then how can you convert? see here rupees 7.25. So we know before decimal one is the rupees and after decimal one is pies. So this one you can write this way, equal to rupees 7, then plus this one is the pies, so 25 pies. Okay, this way you can write. Before decimal one is rupees and after decimal point is pies. And we know 1 rupee equal to how many pies? 1 rupee equal to 100 pies. So 7 rupee equal to how many pies? Rupees 1, you know, rupee 1 actually, rupee 1 equal to 100 pies. Rupee 1 equal to 100 pies. All of you know this? Rupee 1 equal to 100 pies. So 7 rupee equal to 7 into 100. So this one you can write here, rupees 7 into 100. Oh no, rupees 7 into 100, this much is the pies. Convert this one, then it is pies. Okay, then plus this one 25 pies. So this equal to 7 into 100, 700 pies plus 25 pies. Okay, see, 7 into 100, 700 pies. And 25 pies. Now you add both, 700 plus 25 equal to 725 pies. Okay, so this way you can convert. Okay, so convert into pi. This much rupees is given. To convert this, first you divide, before decimal one is the rupees and after decimal one is the pi. So 7 rupees 25 pies, 7 rupees plus 25 pies, and 7 rupee equal to 7 into 100, because 1 rupee equal to 100 pies. So 7 into 100, 700 pies plus 25 pies. So 700 pies plus 25 pies equal to 725. Today you will do some homework. Your page number 45, 46 and 47. These 3 pages, some fill in the blanks and some conversions are there. You convert rupees to pies and pies to rupees. That one you complete. Okay, you complete the homework. These 3 pages, 45, 46 and